Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to see about the transportation in human beings. The main function of transportation in human beings is the circulatory system. Actually, it consists of the circulatory system of human beings. It consists of blood, arteries, veins, capillaries and heart. Okay. First, let's see about the blood. This is the structure of the blood. The main function of the blood, it helps to transport the food, oxygen and waste. Okay, and then this blood is divided into categories like RBC, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets and plasma. First, let's see about the plasma. Okay, this is the structure of the plasma. What is the main function of the plasma means? It helps to transport the food and carbon dioxide and water. Next, let's see about the RBC, red blood cells. Okay, this is the RBC or red blood cells. It helps to transport only the oxygen. This is the WBC, white blood cells. It helps to kill the harmful bacteria and protects the body. And next, last thing is the platelets. Actually, the main function of the platelets is it helps to clotting of blood. Okay, it prevents the loss of blood when during the injury. The next thing is the arteries. This is the structure of the arteries. The main function of the arteries is it carry pure blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Actually, they have thick walled and they do not have any valves at all. Next thing is the vein. This is the structure of the veins. Actually, the main function of the veins is they carry the impure blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Actually, they have a thin walled, they have valves also. This is the structure of the capillaries. Actually, it is like it is a very narrow thin blood vessels. The main function of the capillaries is it helps to connect the arteries and veins together. In this part only, the exchange of food, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water which takes place between the cells and the blood through these capillaries. Now let's see the brief structure of the heart. This is the structure of the heart. The heart is divided into two halves by thick wall. This wall prevent the oxygenated blood from mixing with deoxygenated blood. Each half of the heart is divided into an upper chamber atrium and a lower chamber called ventricle. This deoxygenated blood or blood carrying carbon dioxide from all parts of the body enters the right side through two major veins. When the heart pumps into two arteries, that means right atrium and then right ventricle, which carries to the lungs. It will carry to the lungs. In the lungs, what will happen? The blood gives up carbon dioxide and it will picks up oxygen. Oxygenated blood or blood carrying oxygen that enters to the left side of the heart, which pumps into the big artery. Branches of this artery carry the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This picture shows the how blood circulates in the body. This is the lung. Okay, from the lung, it will release the oxygenated blood through the left side of the heart. Then oxygenated blood, it will reach the different parts of the body. Okay, when it reaches the right side of the heart, the blood release only the deoxygenated blood through the right side of the heart. Again, they will reach the lungs. Through the system only, the blood will circulate in our heart. That's all about the transportation in human beings. Thank you, students.